Tired of the same old holiday desserts? Let's spice things up with a delicious Christmas plum cake. First things first, get your dried fruits, nuts, and a splash of rum or fruit juice ready. Soak them for 48 hours. Trust me, the wait is worth it. Now, preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a 9-inch cake pan. In one bowl, mix your flour, baking powder, baking soda, spices, and salt. In another, cream together butter and brown sugar until they're best friends, light and fluffy. Add eggs one at a time, then stir in vanilla and molasses. Now gradually mix in your dry ingredients and milk, alternating between the two. This is where the magic happens. Fold in your soaked fruits and nuts. Pour that luscious batter into your pan and smooth it out. Pop it into the oven for about 1.5 to 2 hours. Keep an eye on it after an hour and 15 minutes. No one wants a burnt top. Once baked, let it cool for 15 minutes before transferring to a wire rack. Feeling fancy? Brush some extra rum or juice on top. Wrap it up and let it age for a day or two. The longer the better. Serve your plum cake plain with a dusting of powdered sugar or a dollop of whipped cream. Pair it with tea, coffee, or mulled wine, and you're set for a cozy Christmas. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to subscribe for more delicious treats. Click the link below for ingredients and exclusive baking tools. Happy baking and Merry Christmas!